Hello friends, how are you? Today we will see the sum part of the sets. Many parts already I have told in the previous videos, but now still some are left. So let us see. We will see the sum topics I am telling you. It is the difference of two set. Okay, difference of two set means subtraction of two set. Both are same. Difference of two set and subtraction of two sets. This is the condition. Now see what is the subtraction of two sets. This condition is subtraction. So what is the subtraction? See, normally we know that in the subtraction we subtract the sum elements or the numbers. Here a is equals to 1 2 3 4. If we solve the questions by the examples, then it will be more clear. So this is b is equals to this is 2 and 4 5 6. So some elements I am taking common. So here a minus b, we have to subtract b from a, so it is a minus b, and this a minus b is equals to what is here. See, 1 2 3 4, it is in a, and in b what was 2 4 5 and 6. So if we subtract this one, see, subtract this one means if we subtract, then minus and minus will come here, and this minus and minus. So I write this one. So this 4 and 4 is cancelled, this 2 and 2 is cancelled. It is clear. So what is left now? It is 1 comma 3, and you will see 5 minus 5 and minus 6 also. No, minus 5 minus 6 will not come, because here is no element, and this is not the pure subtraction, as we will take the carry from the last digits. It is not. So since no element is here, so that's why this will not subtract, means this will already automatically delete from here. So what is left? Simple, 1 comma 3. So this a minus b will come 1 comma 3. Means I think it should be clear. In subtraction, when we subtract the two sets, then we always write the remaining part of the first set, not the second set. Whatever will become, as a is the first set here, and suppose we see this one, b minus a, if we take, then what was here? See, b first, it is 2 4 5 and 6, and what is a? 1 2 3 and 4. This 4 and this 3 will here, this one. So if we subtract this one, this is, so what is now? This 2 is cancelled, and this 4 is cancelled. So what is left? This 5 and 6, not minus 1 minus 3, because this is the element of a, this is the element of b, and b is on the first place. So from which element we will subtract 3? No element is here. Is it clear? No element is here for 3. Clear now? So that's why this is what is left. 5 comma 6 is left, so 5 comma 6 will come here. So b minus a is 5 comma 6. So you don't have to show this method. This is not the particular method or the prescribed method. I am just telling this one for clear the concept. Okay, just for teaching I am telling this one. This is not the concept. Simple, we will see. This is 2 4 5 6. Here is 1 2 3 4, and 2 and 4 is common. So subtract this 2 and 4 from here. So what is left in b? It is 5 and 6 left. So what will be? 5 and 6 will come here. So this is the subtraction of two sets. One more questions can come in your mind if no element is common. Okay, I tell you the next example. For this condition, suppose a we have 1 2 and b we have 3 4. So now what is? If we have to a minus b, so what is a minus b? Which element of b is coming in a? Which element? I think no element is coming in a. See here, no element is coming in b, 3 and 4, in a 1 and 2. So no element is subtracting from the set a. So what is in a left? It is 1 and 2. It is clear now. It will come as it is. And similarly, if we find b minus a, so what will come here? It is 3 comma 4, because no element of a is coming in the set of b. So that's why this will be 3 comma 4. It is clear now. So now the clear what is the subtraction. And if any query, then you have dropped the message in the message box. I will try to clear your problems as soon as. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel, and with the bell icon also. touch the bell icon, and try to share the videos with your friends. Okay.